Welcome to Reviewsinside, where we bring you in-depth, honest insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the LG Cordzero Q3 cordless stick vacuum cleaner, a vacuum that promises to tackle daily cleaning tasks efficiently with its powerful suction and smart features. This model boasts a sleek beige color and a range of innovative technologies, but does it live up to the hype? Let's explore all the details. The LG Cordzero Q3 is a cordless stick vacuum designed for modern homes, offering powerful suction and versatile features. Powered by the Smart Inverter Motor, it delivers an impressive 150 air watts (AW) of suction power, which is more than enough to handle typical household cleaning. The motor is built for long-term performance, and the 15 cyclones inside the vacuum help reduce clogs, ensuring sustained suction even after extended use. What's particularly interesting is how this vacuum can automatically detect whether you're cleaning a carpet or hard floor and adjust the suction power accordingly, so there's no need to manually change settings. When it comes to floor types, this vacuum really stands out. The dual floor nozzle features both a soft roller and a carpet agitator in one, so you don't have to swap attachments to switch between surfaces. Whether you're cleaning hardwood, tile, or carpet, the LG Cordzero adapts to give you the right suction every time. For those with pets, this vacuum is particularly effective. Its design minimizes tangling while picking up pet hair, which can often be a problem with other vacuums. Plus, the built-in LED headlight ensures that even dark corners are properly lit, so no dust or dirt goes unnoticed. The vacuum's filtration system is another notable feature. It includes a 5-step filtration process that efficiently filters dust and helps keep the suction strong over time. This system is supported by the 15 cyclones, which do an excellent job of separating debris from the airflow, keeping the filters cleaner for longer periods. As a result, the vacuum doesn't lose suction as quickly as other models might, ensuring that you get a consistent cleaning experience. Maintenance is another area where the LG Cordzero shines. Many vacuums force you to deal with cumbersome, hard-to-clean components, but this one simplifies things. You can easily remove the cyclone, filters, and dust bin with a twist. No tools required. The washable parts allow you to keep the vacuum running smoothly without too much effort. And if that wasn't enough, the compressor feature allows you to compress the dirt and dust in the bin, doubling its capacity, so you can clean more and empty the bin less frequently. This is a fantastic feature, particularly for those who want to spend less time on maintenance and more time cleaning. Now let's talk about the real-world testing. In everyday use, the vacuum was very straightforward to assemble and set up. It felt light in the hand, making it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. The suction was strong on both carpets and hard floors, and I noticed how efficiently it picked up fine dust and pet hair. One of the most satisfying moments was cleaning pet hair off a rug. No tangles, no hassle. It also performed well in corners and edges, thanks to the LED light illuminating the path. When using the vacuum on stairs and upholstery, the included attachments really came in handy. The brush tool worked wonders on both fabric and hard-to-reach spots, ensuring a thorough clean. However, no vacuum is perfect. While the LG Cordzero's automatic surface detection is convenient, it can occasionally take a moment to adjust when switching from one floor type to another. This wasn't a deal breaker, but something to note if you're in a hurry. Also, while it's light compared to other models, prolonged use can still be tiring, especially in larger homes with a lot of ground to cover. The battery life is solid, but it does drop off a little quicker when running in high power mode, which is something to consider if you're cleaning a larger area in one go. When it comes to pros and cons, the LG Cordzero Q3 certainly excels in performance, especially when it comes to handling pet hair and transitioning between floor types without having to swap attachments. The filtration system is top-notch, and the maintenance is incredibly easy. On the downside, the vacuum might feel a bit heavy for extended use, and the battery could last longer on high settings. Additionally, if you're after a vacuum that stays ultra-light throughout long cleaning sessions, this might not be the best option for you. In terms of value for money, this vacuum sits in a mid to high range price bracket, And while it offers strong performance, the value is tied to the features it offers. If you need a versatile vacuum for different floor types, a good filtration system, and easy maintenance, it's a solid investment. However, if you're only cleaning small spaces or looking for something lightweight, there may be more affordable options that meet your needs. Comparing it to other vacuums in the same price range, the Dyson V8 and the Shark IonFlex 2X come to mind. Both offer great suction power and versatility, but the LG Cordzero's dual floor nozzle, longer filtration life, and compressor feature set it apart. The Dyson V8, for instance, lacks the automatic surface adjustment, and while it's lightweight, its smaller dustbin means more frequent emptying. The Shark IonFlex, on the other hand, offers strong suction but doesn't have the same level of filtration as the LG Cordzero. Build quality-wise, the LG Cordzero feels premium. The plastic feels solid, and the joints and connections are sturdy. There's no flexing or cheap-feeling parts, which is always a good sign in a vacuum. The dustbin, while slightly larger than most, is easy to remove and clean. You won't find yourself struggling with tough-to-clean components or worrying about them breaking down over time. As for maintenance, it's all about simplicity with this model. The fact that you can wash all the main components means that over time, this vacuum should continue to perform well as long as it's maintained properly. There's no need for frequent filter replacements, and the brush roll is easy to clean, which adds to the overall convenience. Customer support from LG is generally well regarded, and while I didn't need to contact them during my testing, it's worth mentioning that the company offers good after-sales support, which could be useful if you ever encounter an issue with your vacuum. Wrapping things up, the LG Cordzero Q3 cordless stick vacuum cleaner is a solid choice for those looking for powerful, versatile performance in a cordless model. It's especially great for pet owners, people with a variety of floor types, and those who want a vacuum that's easy to maintain. While it has a few minor downsides, like its weight for long sessions and shorter battery life on high settings, it does more than enough to justify its price. For those who value smart features, strong suction, and a user-friendly design, this vacuum is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the LG Cordzero, you'll find the link in the comments box. Feel free to share your experiences or ask questions if you already own one. Until next time, may your floors always be spotless and your vacuums forever powerful.